Honorable Ekene, Biko, please, one house, one who Kwere, how of Terani Madu, Elengum, how of Terani Madu, Lota, how of Terani Madu, Opesirago, how of Terani Madu, Umumbu, how of Terani Madu, Obono Umoji, how of Terani Madu, Umouru, how of Terani Madu, Umorico, how of Terani Madu, Levala, how of Terani Madu, Aniga Wike, Orolato, what Terani Madu, Ugada Chime Gaizu, what Terani Madu, Umatum Gaizu, what Terani Ena, Umasibe Gaizu, what Terani Ena, Abadai Kurovia, Umwele Gaizu, what Terani Ena, Umojoke Gaizu, what Terani Ena, Lebengu, Gaizu, what Terani Ena, can you men even also so? Can't do Garabani one of an able The government does not visit the community every day. Because government had a job every day. Open a government never done over the Uno. Especially open a government that done a kudo. Western there. Our temple governor, the Bureau of Africa, the Enugu State, Omemma, he graciously stepped in to help in fostering peace Elugwa. The governor were anya Kihe Shaka sees or the call which I never minister by an open walker. Where see Ministry of Rural Development were integrity. A way directive can Ministry of Rural Development help Elugwa to achieve peace. And even though that the Honorable Commissioner, a prince, a thoroughbred woman, not the unavoidably indisposed today, he constituted a star-studded team to visit this community. And with you are media professionals, administrative moguls, and an attorney of the Supreme Court of Nigeria. The implication is that this team is well constituted. And I noticed in Nakuru that are here, that before you, there was a file, and that file looked like file Elugwa Akwachi. Now, the information you need to do your work is there. Elugwa Akwachi Autonomous Community was created on 23rd of July 2009. Elugwa Akwachi Autonomous Community was created on 28th of July 2009 through the Gazette of Enugu State Traditional Rulers Act as amended, 2009 as amended. And by virtue of the laws of Enugu State,